Want to grow your business? Imagine reaching out to your audience in a way that feels personal and direct. Want deeper connections with your audience? Email marketing allows you to engage with them on a more intimate level. Email marketing is the key. It's a powerful tool that can transform your business communication. It's more than just sending messages. It's about building relationships that last. Every email is an opportunity to connect. Imagine this, you're sharing valuable content, exclusive offers, and exciting updates directly with people who want to hear from you. Your emails become a trusted source of information. That's the magic of email marketing. It creates a sense of anticipation and excitement. Email marketing helps you build trust and loyalty. Your audience feels valued and appreciated. You're not just a brand, you're a friend in their inbox. Your messages are welcomed and looked forward to, and when they're ready to buy, guess who they'll remember? You got it. Your consistent and thoughtful communication keeps you top of mind. Ready to dive in? Email marketing is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and growing your business. You'll need a few essential tools to get started. First, an email marketing platform like MailChimp or ConvertKit. These platforms are user-friendly and packed with features. They help you manage your subscribers, design beautiful emails, and track your campaign performance. Next, you need an email list. This is your audience, the people who will receive your emails. But remember, quality over quantity. A smaller list of engaged subscribers is far more valuable than a large list of uninterested contacts. Focus on building a list of people genuinely interested in what you offer. These are the people who are most likely to engage with your content and become loyal customers. How do you attract those ideal subscribers? It all starts with offering value. Offer something irresistible, a free ebook, a discount code, or exclusive content. These incentives, known as lead magnets, can significantly boost your subscriber list. These lead magnets are like golden tickets to your world. They entice potential subscribers to join your list and start engaging with your brand. Now, let's craft your first email campaign. This is the foundation of your email marketing engine, and it all starts with a well-thought-out plan. Start with a captivating subject line. It's the first impression. A great subject line can make the difference between your email being opened or ignored. Then write an email that feels like a chat with a friend. Personalize your message to make it more relatable and engaging. Use a friendly tone and avoid jargon. Keep it concise, engaging, and focused on one clear goal. Your readers are busy, so get to the point quickly and make your message easy to digest. Don't forget a call to action. This is crucial. Whether it's signing up for a webinar, downloading a resource, or making a purchase, guide your readers on what to do next. What do you want your readers to do? Click a link, visit your website, or make a purchase. Be specific and direct. Be clear and make it easy for them. A well-designed email with a prominent call to action can significantly increase your conversion rates. Once you've sent your email, the journey isn't over. Analyze your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. These metrics provide valuable insights into your campaign's performance. These metrics tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve future campaigns. Remember, email marketing is an ongoing process of learning and optimizing. And as your list grows, leverage the power of automation and smart segmentation. Automation sends pre-written emails based on triggers, like welcoming new subscribers. Segmentation groups your audience by interests, allowing for more targeted messaging. Remember, building a thriving email list takes time, effort, and consistency. Be patient, experiment, and keep your audience engaged and interested. Focus on providing value, building relationships, and watching your business soar. Now go out there and rock your email marketing like the pro you truly are.